How to equip navigation in high seas hero. So just go ahead to your navigation item, of course, and it's gonna depend on what level it will unlock. So we're gonna give out an example over here for the Emerald Edge navigation. So as you can see over here in the bottom, it says unlocks at level 11. So to be able to equip that, it needs to be at level 11. It's a level 5 right now, but once it surpasses that level, or is that level, it will look like this. So the equip button will immediately appear, and you should be able to equip the navigation for yourself. So just go ahead and follow the quota for the level for your navigation item. But that is how you equip navigation items in High Seas Hero. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.